Okay, this is Builderall. This is the software I use to build my websites, landing pages, my email list, my autoresponder. It's got over 60 tools. I've been using it for 5 years, and I'm very happy with it. You don't have to use Builderall. You can use any website builder for this. If you have a blog already, you already go and do it. Anyhow, anyhow. All right. Uh, the website builder. So it's got the website builder, it's got the mailing boss, which is your emails and your autoresponder. It's got, you can make courses on here, e-learning courses. We're going to enter into the website. So these are all the websites, legal pages, and all the stuff that I've built with Builderall. The You Didn't Know .live is my Amazon influencer website. We're going to go through it and manage it. Okay, so it's got my home page, my about page, my course, my download page. Now it's also cool down here. I've got a members area. People have to pay to be in the members area. So the Builderall has a lot of features, a lot of features. Anyway, we're going to create a new page, but first we need a product. Now you can get a product from Amazon's deals page, from bestsellers, from anywhere you want on Amazon. We're going to go use Logie because Logie is going to offer you 50%, up to 50% commissions on top of your Amazon commissions. So this is Logie. There'll be a link to join Logie with a code down there if you want. If you're an Amazon influencer, Amazon associate, you want to be a member of Logie. And I'm just going to go through it and you'll probably figure out why. So they're always adding new products. Now over here is 50%. Every time you make a sale promoting this product, you're going to earn 50% from the brand on top of your Amazon earnings, your Amazon percentages. Okay, so we're going to go to view all the products that they have. Now their products are added every day. There's brands added every day, and we're going to look for something to promote. This here, we're going to promote this. Okay, so we've decided we're going to promote this prepared 4X hiking. Let's go see what it is. Right. It's a hiking compass survival mirror sighting map orientated. Anyway, it's for hiking, and I'm telling you, hiking's big right now. Everybody's hiking, so we're gonna promote it. So now we're gonna add it to Logie, so it's in our Logie. All right. Now we are going to copy this, or whatever you want to copy. And this is the cheap way out, I guess. All right. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna go down and see if there's any other notes or any other. Oh, there is some other stuff we can copy. This here, definitely. So, but let's go over to ChatGPT, and we're going to say, I'm a bad typer, so bear with me. Write me a blog post optimized for Google search engine using keyword phrases and emojis. Make it sound fun and happy, but right in a sales copy style for the following product. Paste. Right, now we can go back over, and there might be other information here. We said we would take this. Right, we're going to do the whole thing because there's a lot here. You don't want to do the photos. I'm not sure if the photos are going to go into ChatGPT. May not. All right. Move out of the way. Let's hit that. Now ChatGPT is going to write it. There they go. So we got that going there. So now we're going to go back over to our Cheetah website. We're going to create a new page. Now this is where we name the page and we're going to optimize the page for search. So we come back over here and what is it? It is a hiking compass survival. So that's what we're going to call it. Page title. All right. Description. Come back over here. This is all going to help you optimize for search. This stuff we don't have to worry about. Page script, you can add it if you want to. And save. Hiking compass survival. There we go. So we're going to edit the page. Now there's all kinds of tutorials on here to show you how to do this. So we're going to skip the tour, right? We're going to skip the tour. You've got to add a panel. So we're going to add panel, blank panel, add it. There it is, okay? So now we need a title. So we go back to ChatGPT. Did they give us a title? They gave us a title. So there we go. We copy our title. Back over to Cheetah. Right? Right. Okay, there you go. Nice. Let's there we go. Right? And then we're going to center it. Actually, we can do this to center it right there. Hit that and it'll center it. Okay? So then we're going to close this up here and we're going to add another panel. Blank panel. Right? And you'll get the hang of doing all of this pretty easy. I don't know, daily deals. They have all these options and all these templates, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So this is a heading 2. We're going to make it paragraph size, right? Boom. Right. Then we're going to come over to ChatGPT, copy the rest of this, back over to the Cheetah website. All right. Let me get out of the way here. Now we can clean this up, right? We can run through here because this is too close together, right? So we can open her up. And now we can even go better. We can bold these. Of course, I'm not spending a lot of time because I don't know what web builder you're doing. I could spend a lot of time jazzing this up, making it look nice. I don't like the way that looks, but I'm going to take it off there and fix it later. But then, of course, now you got to go get your affiliate link. So you're going to come back over here and you're going to take your, of course, your site Stripe link. Now you're going to put it in a couple of places. Now we can also put photos in here and make the photos links, and there's a lot of stuff you can do, and I can do tutorials go further. I don't want to make this run too long, but you can turn around and make this a link by coming up here and going to the link section and then putting in your URL here to your okay, so now that's a link to your Amazon product, and you can do that down here. You can do that with anything you want. Adventure awaits. Are you ready? And let's go right here. And oh, I want to do this and add a link. Okay. And you can do that throughout. So now that's a clickable link that goes right to it. and clickable link right there. Now, what I'm going to tell you is Logie, right? We picked the Logie product. If you use your go.shopping page, you want to put this link to your go.shopping page. Okay, drive it to your go.shopping page. We added the product to Logie. Now we have to make it a favorite. We can put it in a list, and then it'll be on your go.shopping page. We could also, like I said, we could take some pictures and put them in here and make them clickable links. But you can jazz this up, make it pretty, add the header, add the footer. Like I said, I didn't want to make this too long. And then save. Now you want to remember, you want to save it along the way. You want to save it along the way. Yes, publish the website. The other thing is over up here, you're going to want to see that it's optimized for mobile. Now, Builderall automatically optimizes it for mobile, so you can see it right there. This is the way it's gonna look on mobile, right? Pretty much the same way, and it's gonna have the clickable links in there the same way that there's the clickable link on the bottom and the clickable link on the top. If we would have added photos in there's the clickable link on the top. All right, and that's your blog post. And you'll take that blog post and you're gonna share it to your email list. Okay, and the email list is going to have links to either your storefront, your Amazon storefront, or your go.shopping page. Don't put links in the emails. Okay, you put the links for the blog post. They go to the blog post, and then the links are on the blog post. Don't put links in the email. That's what I'm saying. Don't put links in the email. So the next video is going to be about making a landing page, creating an email list with an autoresponder. Start getting your audience all in one place on an email list, and start thinking about what can you give away for free of value that people would want to put their email address in to get something like shopping tips, the 3 things that if you had Prime, you need to know, 5 different ways to save money with your Prime account, or whatever it is, ways to find the best deals, whatever your lead magnet is. It's called a lead magnet. So start thinking about what that is. We're going to have a lead magnet to a landing page to collect the emails, and then we're going to retarget and send out our blog posts to the email list. Okay, very powerful. An email list, a scrubbed email list, is worth $1 an email a month. So you build an email list up to 10,000 people, you're getting $10,000 a month from your email list. Build that email list and scrub the list. Scrubbing the list. Okay, what's scrubbing the list, Jim? Now, Builderall does all of this. Okay, scrubbing the list is if they don't open your emails, not buy. It doesn't matter if they buy or not buy. If they don't open your emails, you can set the amount 3, 5, 10. If they don't open so many, they come off the list. You scrub the list. This way, only people interested in your stuff, only people that are opening and looking at your stuff will stay on your list. And like I said, eventually they'll buy. If they're opening up and looking, eventually they'll buy. It's the people, if they don't ever open, you want them off your list. Okay, that's a scrubbed list. And a scrubbed list like that is worth $1 a month per email. All right. So I hope that learned you something. And so that, again, you're going to take the blog post, you're going to put it in your email list. You're going to send it out to the email. And okay, don't put links to Amazon products in your email list, in your email. Okay, don't put product links in your email. Your storefront is good, or your gold.shopping in the email, but you're going to put the link to the blog post, and the blog post is going to have the product links in it. Okay, leave me any questions you have down in the bottom. So this is it live, the webpage. So up here on the top, you didn't know .live/hiking compass survival. So that was what we put in the title when we fixed out the beginning of the website. So that's how you get the name. And it's also going to be good for SEO for the product. Okay, so you didn't know is you got to have a domain, a website, right? So you get yourself a domain. And I got the you didn't know .live back when we were doing live streams. Everybody was doing live streams. We thought that was going to take off. I still do them, maybe 2 or 3 a month. But so that's that. And here it is. Okay, the website. Pretty good. It's got your links in it, right? We go look no further. It's going to bring me right to the product page. All right. Now, as I said, we can jazz this up with some photos, and I would suggest you do that. Okay. And then you take this link up here and you're going to share that link into your email list. And we're going to make an email list and an autoresponder and a landing page in the next video.